Understanding your brain, the two systems of thought. You may not realize it, but your brain processes information in two distinct ways. Consider this scenario. You glance at a photo and instantly recognize the person as having blonde hair, being visibly angry and likely shouting. This rapid recognition requires no conscious effort and exemplifies what we call fast thinking. Now think about a math problem. You recognize it as a multiplication problem and know you can solve it, but it requires effort. If you attempt to solve it, your muscles tense, your pupils dilate, and your heart rate increases. This is slow thinking in action. For instance, look at these lines. They appear different in length, but measuring them reveals they are identical. Even with this knowledge, your fast thinking System 1 can't help but see the illusion because it operates automatically. A similar effect occurs with visual illusions involving perspective. When asked which figure is the largest, you might pick one, though they are all the same size. The suggestion of depth tricks System 1 into interpreting the flat image as three-dimensional. Here, your conscious System 2, or slow thinking, must intervene, recognizing the illusion despite your initial instinct. To observe System 2 in action, try this exercise. I'll show you a string of 4 digits and you add 1 to each digit. For example, if the card reads 3795, your response should be 4806. Ready? Go. Most people find it challenging to manage more than 4 digits. Even more difficult is adding 3 to each digit. Engaging System 2 in this way causes pupil dilation, and you might miss other changes like a text color switch or different numbers appearing. Here's another test of your intuition. A bat and a ball cost $1.10 in total. The bat costs $1 more than the ball. How much does the ball cost? Your initial guess might be 10 cents, but that's incorrect. The correct answer is 5 cents. Even if you arrived at the correct answer, you likely considered 10 cents along the way. System 1 quickly provides an intuitive response, beneficial in everyday life, but sometimes misleading. Consider this question. How many animals of each kind did Moses take into the ark? Many people overlook the fact that it was Noah, not Moses, who took animals into the ark. This mistake, known as the Moses illusion, occurs because System 1 detects an association between Moses and the ark, accepting the question without further scrutiny. System 1 also generates context unconsciously. For example, reading ABC, Anne approached the bank, and 12, 13, 14 might seem straightforward. But your brain could interpret these ambiguities differently, like a 13C or 12B14. Moreover, you likely imagined a woman going to a financial institution when reading Anne approached the bank. But if the previous sentence mentioned floating down a river, your mental image would change entirely. This context generation happens without your conscious awareness, often relying on your past experiences. This ties into a concept called priming. If I say wash, you might complete a word fragment as soap, but if I had just shown you the word eat, you might see soup. Such priming influences your thoughts and behavior without your conscious awareness, illustrating how System 1 operates behind the scenes.